Hey everybody, welcome back to IP Farms. Well, another beautiful sunny day here, a little cooler again today. If you watched the last video, went down here and done a whole bunch of chainsaw work, so now I'm gonna get the loader and take it back down and see if I can separate some of that and get the brush pushed up and cleaned up that mess. So thought I might get a little start of the loader here. I watched a couple other channels that's got some dresser loaders. They say they're hard to start. This one is too. I think it's already gotten spoiled to the glow plugs, but it's about 62 degrees. Hasn't been cold at all, but hasn't been cranked down about 2 days, so thought I might get a little snippet of it, crank it up and see what we can do. Okay, I'm not sure how much the wind's going to affect this, but y'all want to see something funny, I'm going to show you how I'm going to try to halfway grade this out with this machine. It does not do very well. It is definitely a rough grade machine, but thought you might get a kick out of it, so we'll leave this in real time for a few minutes to get a little bit of it. There's a hump right about there on the back sides where I took the trees down at the property line. There's a hump here and it levels off, and we'll try to smooth that up a little bit and level that. And then I'm not sure if I'll get it on this video or not, but I've got to cut a ditch, get my pointer out here, from over there at the corner of that debris back down by the box elder here and back over to the brush pile. On the far side of the brush pile is a natural waterway, so it's been filled in, unfortunately, but let's see what we can do. Okay, everybody, we will wrap this one up for today. A little different. Most of it's time lapse. Was able to get the hump cut down here. The thing's tough to grade with. Not too worried about it. I wish I had a skid steer. Sure would make all this a lot easier after the loader. But anyways, able to get this corner worked up and good. So we talked about the box elder tree. I'm gonna cut off at the stump. There's a cedar tree behind it. And just kind of feather all this in. I'm done with the brush pile on this end. I like to pile dirt up on it. Throw a little grass seed out. Grass will grow over the brush. You'll never be able to see it. Right here in the corner, when I cut this, sorry for making you sick, cut this swale back down in here where the water's going to go that way. I'll take that excess dirt, push on that corner. Played a little bit up here on the hill. Got some of it pushed out, you saw. Still got quite a wad of cedar trees here, but I'm going to finish up the brush line down this way. This tree right here is sticking out. We're going to cut it. There's another cedar tree down there, and there's one down at the very end that's kind of leaning. I'm going to cut them and just make this brush pile kind of straight right here, and the bottom of the brush pile will be the natural swale waterway, so it won't look too bad. But I got to go up and get the other chainsaw. I hate I didn't get it on camera again. If you've already watched the other video, second pull on the chainsaw pulled that handle out, so I'm just going to put it over the side and not worry about using it until I get the right handle for it. So I got to walk back up there and get that. So we'll wrap this one up. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Try to get some good music on it. Just want to say thank you everybody for watching. Please consider subscribing if you hadn't already. Share the video, get it out there. Might be somebody else interested in some of this stuff. You know, hit the thumbs up, thumbs down. I understand it's not for everybody, but you know, some of this is repetitious. Like I said a month or so ago in the video, you know, it's just day in, day out. You know, still got a lot of clearing to do. This section here I'm working on, and a few down in the corner that we talked about several videos back, is the major clearing of the trees I got to do. The rest of it is pretty much just uplifting and a little bit of here and there. So trying to get this situated and worked on and get it finished up. So we'll see what happens. Until next time, thank you.